7 years. That's a long time to stay dedicated to one game. Looney Tunes, World of Mayhem has been a huge part of my life. And as we look toward October, I wanted to create something to remember it by. I'm currently running with the Mayhem Outlaws Alliance, and honestly, the game has never felt better. I'm soaking in every battle and every moment before the servers go dark. This coaster captures the classic energy of the characters that kept me coming back day after day. Lasering this wasn't just about the art. It was about honoring the time I spent building, battling, and connecting with the community. It's hard to imagine a game topping the experience I've had here. To everyone still playing in the Mayhem Outlaws or anywhere else, let's make these last few months count. What's your favorite World of Mayhem memory? Let me know in the comments.